Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a virgin Cosmopolitan. Now I'm going to leave this mocktail recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this mocktail we're going to need cranberry juice, simple syrup, fresh orange juice, and fresh lime juice. Alright, I'm going to start by chilling my glass. Now in a mixing glass, I'm gonna add ice, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, half ounce of fresh lime juice, half ounce of simple syrup, and 3 ounces of cranberry juice. Gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give this a try. For being a non-alcoholic cocktail, this is pretty good. I think the key here is the orange juice. It helps to balance the tart from the cranberry juice. I'll give it 8 out of 10. And that's how you make the virgin Cosmopolitan. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more mocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!